Let's look at how to derive log of x. Okay, so we know that for a log that doesn't have a base, we have to assume that the base of that log is equal to 10. This means that we will have log x base 10. Okay, so the rules of log, they tell us that for log x base a, this is equal to ln of x over ln of a. Okay, this means that we can go and change our log to log of x, or can change our log to ln of x over ln of 10. Okay, so now we can observe that ln of 10 is a constant. So how can we simplify it? We can say 1 over ln of 10 multiplied by dx of ln of x. Okay, now this becomes simpler to derive because we know that the derivative of ln of x is equal to 1 over x. This means that we will have 1 over ln of 10 multiplied by 1 over x. Okay, so now this means that our final answer is going to be 1 over x ln of 10.